Let's check it out if it's gonna work out. 3, 2, 1. Check that out. Beautiful, huh? Let's see. Okay. Open the switch. Let's turn it off. It's off. And well, every time you close the switch, it will go to sleep mode, and it will eventually turn off all those lights. But it looks pretty cool. Alright, so we turn it on. We have the USB dongle connected right there, so that dongle sends signal to this one to tell the RPMs and all that. So when we turn it on, this is what it's gonna do. There we go. Pretty nice. It has buttons right here where you can customize. You can change the kilometers to miles and all that.